All right, welcome to this video. All right, my name is Maza White, and if you're meeting me for the very first time, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. All right, and turn on the notification bell. All right, so that you get to be notified every time I upload a video. Now, what I do on this channel is that I furnish you with the best tips, tricks, and advices on how to do affiliate marketing with results. All right, because this is what I do on the internet. I do affiliate marketing and I do it with results. Okay, like if this is the first time you're meeting me, and if this is the first time you're hearing about affiliate marketing, well, affiliate marketing is simply the process of earning commission by promoting other people's product on the internet. Okay, and this is about the easiest way to set up an online business without you investing anything. All right, and without you having to buy inventory or create products, or take to customers houses and all that. All right, so affiliate marketing is about the best way to set up, the easiest way to create an online business. All right, so what I'm going to be doing in this video is that I'm going to take you to my computer screen and show you another method to earn affiliate commissions by promoting free courses online. Okay, so be sure to subscribe to my channel right now and just follow me to my computer screen, where I'm just going to show you how to do it.
All right, welcome to my computer screen, and the first website we're going to be visiting is udemy.com. And udemy.com is a platform for online courses. All right, if you want to have if you want to take courses at your own time, in your own pace, you can come down to udemy.com and and sign up. Of course, udemy.com has a lot of paid courses and free courses, all right, and have millions of visitors. You have people studying on this platform, and then it's a popular platform. Now, udemy.com also has affiliate programs, all right, but we're not going to be signing into affiliate programs for Udemy. All right, so what we are going to be doing is that you're going to come down to Udemy and create a free course. Okay, you create a free course on Udemy, let's say 35 minutes course or 1 hour course. All right, and how do you locate free courses? Let me show you, give you an example of a free course on Udemy. You go down to category, and you can see all the courses that are available on Udemy. All right, from development to business, finance, accounting, and you have web development, graphics, and okay, let's look at marketing. In marketing, we have things like digital marketing or affiliate marketing. So virtually every product, every course you can think of, you can find on Udemy. All right, so let's look at digital marketing. If we can see free courses on digital marketing. So what you do is that you click on digital marketing from the category section, and then you go down to the filter. All right, you go down to the filter, then we have prices. You click on the prices, then down the price section you have free courses, about 255 free courses on marketing. So you click on marketing, and these are the free courses. All right, for example, we have Google AdWords for social business, secrets of an agency. These are all, and this is like a 6-hour course, but it came in, you have them in sections. It doesn't really come 6 hours at a go, so they come bit by bit. All right, so you can come to Udemy, create like a 1 hour course on something like that has to do with building your business. All right, maybe email, how to make automation, how to build your landing page, or how to create your autoresponder. All right, and you're just going to go to get response. Now get response is a business builder software that helps you to build your. We are on get response platform right now. Get response helps you to build your is a business builder software, all right, for email autoresponders and creating your landing page, your automation, and your conversion funnels. All right, so you come here and sign in for affiliate program. Of course, I use get response. All right, and I don't really want to make this video a long one, so I don't want to sign in. So you go to get response. Get response has affiliate program. You sign in for an affiliate program. Let's look at what they have in their affiliate program. Now this is their affiliate program. Okay, let's see what get response is paying for affiliates. Look at get response. Say get paid when you refer clients to get response. All right, now they have recurring commission and they have one-time commission. In one-time commission, which is affiliate bounty program, they pay $100 for one time. All right, they get to pay one time, and that is that. But there is also the recurring program where you get to be paid 33% of commission as long as the customer remains with the company. You have 33% commission for lifetime until he decides to close up the deal with the company. All right, so what you do is that you come down here, sign up for an affiliate program, and take your affiliate link, go to udemy.com, create a course like a 1-hour course, and embed your affiliate link. So each time somebody picks up your free course and go through your free course, he's likely to use your affiliate link to buy his business builder software. All right, he's likely to use the get response affiliate link to make his purchases, and you stand to earn commission doing that. All right, so this video is quite a very short one, and I'm not going to spend too much time on it. All right, so if you're watching my my video for the first time, please go on and hit the subscription button, and strike on the notification and leave a comment. All right, and God bless you. Thank you.
All right, folks, I just showed you how to earn affiliate commission promoting free courses. All right, now if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing, all right, if you want to learn how to have results doing affiliate marketing, and let me tell you folks, the easiest way to make money on the internet, or the easiest way to set up a business on the internet, is through affiliate marketing. It is about the easiest way. All right, now if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing and to do with result, now I'm going to leave a link below this video, all right, of a training. This training is going to take you by the hand and show you how to set up your affiliate marketing online business and crush it. All right, this is a tested and proven system, okay, that many of my students have used to create an online business for themselves. And the amazing thing about this system is that it takes you by the hand and help you to set up this business in a matter of days, and to begin to generate income. All right, so I'm going to leave a link below this video. I want you to click on that link, go watch that training, and get back to me. Thank you, and God bless you.